yeah, this makes sense, Jamie. Oh my God. Okay, two things. First one, I want to show you something because it is insane. And the second one is I'm fully aware I'm losing my voice. So if I suddenly go quiet and I lose my voice in this video, I'm sorry, right? Can't help it. But yeah, do you remember at the start of this year, I said, you know what I want to do this year? I want to show you how simple trading needs to be. This is literally my trading today, but it's been like this for literally the last month, right? So I'm going to go over every bit of indicator, EA, system I have used this morning just to make money. And by the way, the time is 11 o'clock, right? So I got up a little bit late. So in 3 hours, okay? First one, London Open. So every single day I will take the first arrow that appears after London Open. So Euro USD, right? The first arrow that appears after London Open. You ready? Okay, it is Tuesday and it is just there. This little buy arrow here. So this is the first arrow that appears after London Open. We just take it regardless, right? It won. And pretty much that's what I do every single day. At 8 o'clock, I'll take the first arrow. Just to show you, if we go to the Telegram group, right? Where's the Telegram group? Mogwai Reversal. You will see everybody else also took it. If I just keep scrolling up here. Here we go. Here, let me just find it up here. Okay, my eyes. Okay, London Open gave me a banger again. London Open 100% today. Yeah, amazing, right? So I do that. Now, obviously, around London Open, I will always get a Mogwai reversal setup. Okay, so normally for my manual trading every single day, I would take London Open and I will take a Mogwai reversal setup. Today's Mogwai reversal setup was, you know, I've took a few today. I'm just trying to remember. I'm going to have to go through the settings. So it was, what was this one? NZUSD. I think it was NZUSD. Give me a sec here. Right. No. Yeah, it was NZUSD, right? So let's go over to NZUSD. So I took this one here, right? As you can see, it was a beautiful trade. So as you can see, that literally appeared 15 minutes after London Open. So that's my trading done. 2 trades. One of them, I'm just taking an arrow. The other one is taking an arrow with the trend. Mogwai Reversal. That is it, right? That's my trading done manually. Then I've got my EAs, right? My robot. So my first one is Phoenix, okay? Now that has just hit its target for the month. So it's now turned off, okay? That's now turned off. So that's hit its target, okay? These are all the results. I've got 3 years worth of results. It's hit its target for the month. I've turned it off, right? That's Phoenix. I'm also running CBOT, right? Get this. So every single morning at the same time, as I turn my computer on, I turn my CBOT on DAX, okay? If we just go to CBOT here, the Renko group, look at this here. So this is me. Ready? Watch this. You ready? Ready, look. This is 7:56. I have just turned my CBOT on for 20 minutes now. We'll update you on the results. First trade hit TP. Second trade hit TP. One more trade. And there we go there. You will see here, these are my results for today. Okay, there, right? There you go. And I just do that. I turn it on for 20 minutes. I make like 100 quid, turn it off. That's what I've been doing, and that's what everyone else has been doing, right? If you actually just go to the expert advisor, you will see a lot of people have been, and just by the way, to show you that it's live, look at this here, live FX2 funding. So currently, you can't see this. On my right screen, I'm logged into my VPS. Okay, so this is my VPS. As you can see, look, VPS. Okay, I'm logged into it and I'm currently trading it as well. Okay, that's just sitting on my right screen here. But again, everyone else has been doing this. Look at this one here. Phoenix already. Let me just go to A7 still going. Last but not least, my C-bot hypergrowth. So this is the C-bot on DAX. I ran it for the whole day against, I mean, wow. Look at that. Not even 1% drawdown. Insane. Okay. Last trades on Phoenix. Again, end of the week. This was like Friday. This was Friday. These are all of my results. So this is my live account on Friday, 13 grand. These are all of my, that there is manual. So that is on Friday. This is DAX. So this is what I turn on for 20 minutes a day and then turn it off. That was the month. These are C-bot. Again, here. All this was for the week, right? So yeah, pretty much, right? Look at this here, C-bot prop firm challenge. Look at that, insane. But yeah, so literally that's all I've been doing, right? I'm taking an arrow with the, I'm taking an arrow after London Open. I'm taking an arrow with the trend, Mogwai Reversal, and then I'm running a multiple of EAs built from the binary destroyer, and that is it. That's literally it. I don't really know what else to say. Like, it's insane, isn't it, right? But anyway, just want to show you this as well. Look at this, right? Everybody smashing it at the minute with what I've been teaching people about highs and lows with the Mogwai reversal. Look at this, right? Just want to show you this. Look at this. Hold on. If I just scroll all the way up, watch this. Look, Mogwai arrows on Renko using MT4 prop firm challenge passed. Mogwai arrows. Again, just taking arrows on Renko passed. Again, if we go to the Mogwai reversal, look at this here. This is literally right now. Look at this here. After a rocky start due to mindset, I'm practically halfway there to completing my FTMO free challenge. 2.5% today. Look at all the trades just today. Nice trade, Mogwai reversal. Again, this is that one that I just talked about. I took that one. Confirming the trend. Higher highs, higher low. Beautiful. Beautiful. That one, we explained why this is a loss. There is no structure. There is no lower low. This is what I was talking about recently, is confirming a lower low. I'm definitely losing my voice. Again here. Nice sell. There's, I don't know what that is. Okay, some more trades. Again, more trades. Look at that one. 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 Again, a lot of members. Again, look at this one. Put another prop firm. This is what I wanted to read you. Read this one here. Success story with Mogwai Reversal Strategy. Hey everyone, I received this incredible message from the BD members who has absolutely smashed a £200,000 challenge phase 1 and phase 2 by trading the Mogwai Reversal Strategy with the Mogwai Reversal Alert Indicator. I want to say a massive congratulations for this amazing achievement. The binary destroyer community is really making waves in this trading world, and stories like this to just reinforce how powerful it is when you focus on one simple strategy. Thanks, special thanks to Jamie Palmer and Michael Austin. These guys are real heroes behind the scenes. Keep pushing, everyone. Let's continue building success stories together. And that is it, right? The word that you want to focus on, simple. Focus on something simple. And this is what brings me on to this video, right? Focusing on simple strategies, right? Your biggest battle is you, not the actual chart time. Somebody actually, I'll tell you a funny story. Somebody said to me, I had a webinar with someone last night. Never been asked this question before. He said, Jamie, have you got to enjoy your trading to be full time, or do you just trade because you make money and you don't really care about trading itself? And I said, you know what, you've got to enjoy trading, because if you enjoy trading, you don't focus on the money, right? You just trade because of the joy, the skill, right? The fun of it. Is this going to happen? I don't know. Let's find out, sort of thing, right? Let me give you an example, right? Let's find a setup and let's just have some fun trading it, right? And this is exactly what I did, right? I found a setup that I would take. Let's go over NZD. No, we won't go over that because I've already done that. Let's go over GPUSD, there'll be some trades that I took yesterday. Okay, here we go here, right? This is a trade. Let's go over one with an alert. Okay, I'm trying to go over one with an alert. Nope. Okay, I'm trying to find you a really good setup that I would take. A real perfect one. Give me a sec here. I'm trying to find you a perfect setup, and then we can kind of go over it, because I could go over any setup really, but I'd rather go over a perfect setup because then it makes more sense. Okay, right. Okay, this is going to be an interesting one. Okay. This still makes a lot of sense, but you'll understand. Right, okay. So you've got to enjoy your trading, right? Period. Fact, right? Because if you don't enjoy your trading, you're going to be stressed out, right? Because all you're going to focus on is the money. You're going to be upset when you lose trades. You're going to be happy when you win trades. And you're just going to be a chaos. Like, your biggest battle is the one in your mind, not anybody else, right? It's the worst thing. You know, you can have some real negative thoughts in your mind, right? But if you do something you enjoy, you never work a day in a life again, right? It's what they always say. Okay, right. So I'm in this trade. Okay, I'm in this trade. I'm looking at this trade, okay? So at the minute, we're going down, yeah? You can see this. Now, remember what I'm saying. One time frame, no support, just keeping it simple, right? Just keeping it simple. Where's my chart so I can draw? Give me a sec here. Right, I'm back, okay? So obviously, it's creating lower lows. We can see this, yeah? Lower low, lower high. So at the minute, what is it doing? It's a downtrend. We can see that. So there is no real kind of opportunity at the minute. Okay. Okay. So obviously now look what's happened. Okay. Now this is the interesting part. This is what a lot of people have started to go, this makes sense, Jamie. Oh my God. Right. Look at this. So at the minute, what's price doing? You've got a higher high, you've got a lower low. So is that a trend? No, it's not. You can't have a higher high and a lower low in the same thing. It's just not a trend, right? Because a trend is this, right? That's an uptrend. That's a downtrend. Lower low, lower high, higher low. That's an uptrend. This, lower low, higher high. Doesn't make sense. I'm just reading what some guys just said here. Look at this here. What did he just say? He said something about DAX. Always in DAX, mate. 0.6 so far today. Nice, nice. Okay, right. Where am I going back here? Right. So we've got a higher high and a lower low. So what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for potentially a higher low and a higher high. Because remember, for a trend, you need a higher high, you need a higher low, and then you need a higher high. Then we look at this and go, yeah, look at that. Higher high, there's the new high, higher low. There. Oh my God, buy with the trend. That's it. That's all you need, right? Simple. I say it's simple. Yes, you will struggle learning this, but in terms of all the price action you can learn in trading, this is by far probably the most simplest, okay? Okay, right, so look at this here, right? Watch this, bang, watch this. Ready, 3, 2, 1, stop. Now look at this. Now look at this. Can you now see the higher high, right? The higher low, and that area of structure just there. See that? So area of structure, higher high, higher low, confirmation of an uptrend. We're above the EMA by the market. Oh my God, right? That is it. No other time frame. We're not being stressed out about, is this a setup? Is it not a setup? You know, it's, you've got a little arrow that tells me buy, for God's sake, right? So we're going to take this trade. Now, as well as simple strategies, obviously you got to learn about necessary managing trades. I am really losing my voice. I don't want to be in a trade that's in profit. Oh God, my eyes are watering now. And I don't want to lose that trade, right? Obviously, you know, if I've got a target of 2%, I don't want the trade to go 1.9% and then reverse and then stop me out. Because then I'm scratching my head going, what have I done? I've picked a winning trade. The trade went into profit and then I just let it stop me out. I mean, that's not a good way of trading, okay? A good way to trade is to make money, right? Period. So obviously I'm going to put my stop loss here, 6 pips. Now, obviously my first target is going to be the top of the zone. Okay, what I'd probably do is probably go for maybe a 4.8 or whatever. I'm going to target the top of the zone. So once the top, but beautiful, right? Nice. Okay, once the top of the zone has been hit, okay, I normally close off 60, 70, sometimes 100%, right? Depends how I'm feeling at the time, okay? On this occasion, we'll manage the trade, right? So I'll close off 90%. So the majority of my profits has now been closed off. I'll move my stop loss to just under break even. So even though it's a slight loss, overall, I'm in profit. And what I'll do is I'll just manage it, right? I'll go for, let's go for, see if I get 10 pips out of the trade, 1 to 2. Okay, obviously it won't be a 1 to 2 because I've already closed off, right? So I watch it here. Now, obviously now I'm seeing if this target here gets broken because it's created that higher high, we continue into this uptrend, right? It's not, you know, it's not difficult. It's just constantly looking and analyzing the charts, right? So bang, oh my God, done. Now, can you see how, I marked up this level and price just rocketed up? That's just simply, that's it, right? Done. There you go. I got 10% out of the trade. And that is it, right? When you look at every trade I've took, it's the exact same. If you look at NZUSD, right, it's exact, what's this one here? Okay. Okay, there's a trade here, right? So this was a slightly riskier trade in terms of you've got your high, okay? You've got your higher high there. And I thought the price would come back there. We had the higher low. Obviously, it's above the EMA. That's what I was hoping. Now, obviously, that did happen. And I did win the trade. But that was, if you actually just zoom out, you can see you've got that confirmation of an uptrend. But ideally, what you really want when you trade, you know, there's a loss here. That's not even a trade. I don't know why I marked that up. I think that might be London Open. Anyway, I didn't even take this trade. I don't even know why I marked it up. I think I was trying to explain to someone earlier about why not to take that trade. So obviously that's broken the EMA. So that's not a trade, period. Don't think, oh, I'm avoiding the loss. That's just, it's broken the EMA. So I wouldn't take that, okay? I'm trying to find, okay, there we go there. Okay, Aussie US dollar. So there's a very good example of a live trade here, okay? And you can see how it's created that higher high, okay, higher low. See that? Beautiful, right? And then you've got that break and retouch just there. You know, is that live? Hold on, let me just see. Sorry about that. I completely forgot that I was on the replay. Give me a sec here. Where's me charts gone? But what I was saying, okay, before I was talking to myself, I was on the replay button, right? And I was sitting here for about 2 minutes confused on like why I couldn't see the live charts. But essentially what we're looking for is a clear confirmation of a trend, which is like, if you're going to trade with the trend, right? There is an example here, right? And this is what I was trying to explain to the members, okay? So you see how USD CAD has come down, right? So obviously USD CAD's come down, it's pulled back, it's come down, it's pulled back. That arrow there, okay, that arrow there is where you'd sell because you've got a confirmation of the trend. This is also a good sell, but this is what I was trying to say to the members. It's very difficult, right, to say, is this a pullback? Is this a trend? But once you've got that like pullback motion like that there, you confirm it and you can ride the trend, right? You know, you can take that sell there, that little arrow just there, because you can say, yes, lower low, previous low, lower high, and then ride the trend. So I'm losing my voice. I'm going to go. I hope you enjoyed that video. My name's Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.